What's up, you guys? It is Madison, and I'm sitting here because I just like to clean my room a little bit so Casey wouldn't be disturbed. Today I'm going to be vlogging. I just woke up, so that's why my voice sounds like this. But I'm going to be vlogging today because I have not posted a video in forever. But I did film one on last Friday, so I'm just not on my filming game. But it wouldn't upload for some reason, so I think I'm probably just going to refilm that video. So yeah, I'm vlogging today. I'm going to a concert today. I'm so excited because I'm going to see my man. You know how I always talk about Sam Hunt? Yeah, I'm going to see him today. My heart. It's actually not his concert. It's actually a Bryan concert. So today's plan is I'm going to do schoolwork because you guys know I'm homeschooled. I'm going to do some school probably until 10:30. Then we're probably going to go get something to eat just so we can have something in our stomachs before we go. And then my aunt texted me this morning and told me to be ready by 2:30. So we're probably going to leave around 2:30. And yeah, the traffic is horrible in Alabama already. Not just in Alabama, like in Tuscaloosa and McCalla, because it's in McCalla. I'm done with school. See how mean he is? He's trying to get my drink. How rude. You want to say hello? No, you don't? Yeah, I didn't think so. Also, I wanted to show you guys my socks. So cute, so cute. I'm not wearing these tonight, but they're so cute. Okay, so it is about 12 o'clock. I'm gonna go ahead and stop my schoolwork and stuff. My hair is just not looking good today. But I'm gonna go ahead and just stop doing my schoolwork and stuff and clean up a little bit more because my room can never be clean for some reason. And then I'm just gonna get ready. I just ate a sandwich, which is very boring. But yeah. This is obviously the outfit of choice for the concert. Obviously. This is my other dog, if you guys care. I'm waiting on Casey, so we're gonna go get her. So I'm just out here, sitting in my driveway, waiting on Casey because my uncle had to steal her. How rude. Still, patiently waiting. There's my dog. Patiently waiting. She's finally here. Hey! I've been waiting forever. Hi! Hi! She's finally here. She took forever. Elvis is coming. I hear him.
I meant to say vlog.
Look who's on TV.
It's Sam.
So we're getting ready.
We're actually already ready, but you know.
Look hella white.
Hello, white.
Okay, so we're going to get Casey's flannel because she forgot it for some reason because she's dumb. And we're going to like drop our stuff off at her house. Like I told you guys a billion times, I live like walking distance from her, so yeah.
I'm tuned in to you, something's on your mind, ain't it? Go on and tell me, baby, don't act like you can't say it. I know your body language, you ain't gotta translate it. So let it talk to me till I can't. fortunate enough to have recorded by a guy named Billy Currington. The song Help Me Get Rid